So this is the side of the yard that we reclaiming. They said, look.
Yeah, it's like, that's why, I mean, the city gonna be coming out.
About to get ready to go ahead and throw this post in. We gave them a bunch of time to move that rose bush, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this post in. I got my bucket of water, got my concrete there. I'm gonna start with this one here. See, I got my string line. So let's get it.
At this point, you're probably like, wait, what happened? So you see that worn fence? Well, that's the neighbors, and they had part of the garage and land closed in. And basically, they did not like that we wanted to reclaim it and fence it in with the rest of our yard all at once. So if you're wondering like, okay, well, did y'all give a heads up? Yeah, multiple times. I just think they didn't take it serious. They even tried to make us feel bad for reclaiming it with tears and yelling because they planted freaking sentimental things along the side of our garage, even though they had plenty of space around their yard and time to make accommodations. Then, once told we'd even make it look neat by putting their same style back on their side to avoid a gap or a bad look, they put up a fit and said, no, just put a fence up on your side, which would cause a gap and a piece of their fence to be missing, seeing our fence. Basically, it's gonna look crazy. But you know what? There was a lesson in this. Don't let people get comfortable using your stuff, because if the shoe was on the other foot, they would not allow you any level of comfort, even if they have to tolerate being uncomfortable too. And if your neighbor is being nice enough to let you even use a part of their yard, don't put nothing sentimental on it. Simple.
I can fill it up to the top so no dirt. And get around the post and rut it out. I like putting stuff in the last. It's solid already. I know trying to make it perfect like this gonna take longer. Some people gonna skip this step with the tool you can. I just wanted to look nice.
So the person you're about to see is actually their son. And he was the only one who actually was thinking logically about the situation and understood where we were coming from.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, I got a little bit more done today.
Yeah, I see.
I got all those in the ground over there and that pipe. I started to pick through some of the rose bush. This old friend never showed up. This is the last year post you got to put in over here?
Yeah.
Are you putting the gate up over there too?
Yeah, yep.
Okay. That's what you were doing earlier, huh?
Yeah. Started to get those in.
Got it kind of loose.
Oh, yeah.
But there's still some.
Yeah. Oh, what's underneath there?
Yeah. I don't know much about them. I'll go back at it tomorrow.
Yeah, because we're probably going to be throwing up the pickets tomorrow along here.
Okay.
That's why I want to throw these posting. At least get a couple of them set.
Yeah.
I should have just ran a whole new fence all the way down the line, and then y'all probably could have just took your fence off.
I thought you were just going to butt up against this one.
Yeah,
That's what I would have done, just made it all
Yeah,
You would have
that's,
had that more extra room. That's what I thought you were doing.
yeah, that's what I wanted to do, but your dad didn't want me to.
Why? That's your property. He's gonna make it look stupid. Just come straight off of here. I mean.
Yeah, that's what I was telling him, to make it look good, especially on your side.
Yeah.
So I guess he didn't want it.
It's gonna look stupid. Now it's gonna be home.
Yeah.
You're gonna have gaps in here.
Yeah. Have a little bump out.
Well, this was surveyed, so I know this is in the right spot. When they put this up, they came out and surveyed it. And it said 3 feet off that garage right there, whatever it was.
Yeah.
That's why I did where it is.
Yeah. See, and we got like ours is surveyed too, especially back there. So that's why I got the string hooked on to the post. And I got it ran this way, so
Oh, okay.
yep. Wipe the foot off of those. Yeah, it's gonna look a little weird.
I think it's gonna look silly. But yeah, I'll definitely get that rose bush out tomorrow. How big are your panels? Wide? 6 foot?
8 foot.
8 foot wide?
Yep.
I'll stick going this way instead of up and down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, building it piece by piece. Would have been easier to grab the panels. I probably would have been done. But they didn't have the style that I was looking for. So I gotta build it. Weird. Now I gotta redig my whole.
Why? Then I 8 foot on center?
Nah, they was when I had it originally mapped out. And I had to move it up.
Are you too tall? You gotta make it bigger?
Nope.
You could always add to the post, you know?
Yeah, so
Like put little heaters on the sides.
right. That's what I did. I had to do for a corner over there and the corner by my house.
So that you'll build a new hole.
Yeah.
That's what I would
8
do.
foot from there is where this bag is. I don't feel like it's gonna hold up. But,
What's this here? Between here? Between there and there?
so from here, well, you talking about these 2 holes?
Yeah. You could always go from this.
Yeah, well, that hole, I'm gonna have to dig this one off back over because it's too far in. So I'll have to put it like back here.
Once I get the push out of there.
Yeah. So that one I'm not really. It'd be easier.
Well, you want it
though.
back to where that one is.
Right.
But that's what I was wondering the first while they're so far off.
Mm-hmm. Because this was the original one. Remember, well, when I first had it mapped out, I was measured off these posts.
Right, it's come straight across.
Yep.
I don't know why it's come through that anyway, man. Still
Yeah.
yeah.
Crazy, man. My post is all off, man. I'm gonna be done for the day. I just kind of wanted to do that one post, make a statement and let them know that we coming. So got that one post out the way. It's weird, man. I'm gonna have to do them posts over. It's just that shit is like way off now.